Begin your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Dijon, Ray, Daryl, guys, good morning. It is Monday. Good to be back. Good to be back. Caleb, Brian, Deepak, Mimi, good morning, Mimi. Fellas, good morning. We are back at it. Gold is getting assassinated. There is speculation, or at least what I'm reading. Guys, it's an FOMC week. Good morning, Lee, Jeff, Steven, Ray. It's FOMC starts tomorrow. Then, of course, the announcement Tuesday at 2 o'clock. And there is some speculation by many that they may raise. Good morning, Dean. Very good morning to you, Hubba Hubba. They may raise interest rates sooner than they had initially projected. I still would be shocked, I guess. I would wonder how they would pay back all this debt. Be that as it may. Be that as it may. Hang on 1 second, guys. 1 second. Sorry, fellas. In any event, we'll see what we get. It could be a somewhat slow week. We're kind of into summer trading, and we'll see what we get. Let's see here. Gold and silver not looking attractive at the moment. Here's what I have at the moment. Good morning, Caesar. James, good morning. Here's what I have at the moment, guys. On my breakout indicator, I have gold set to buy the close on a long. Okay? I mean, we've been selling pretty much nonstop. On the same with copper, could buy on the long. Same with crude. And to sell natural gas. Yeah, we have PPI tomorrow. Yep. We're chopping around. I've due to the lower volatility, I have made my charts somewhat smaller time frames. As you guys may notice, I've gone to a 10 range on crude and a 15 range on the NASDAQ. Just looking at markets currently, Dow futures are down 31. S&P is up 2 points. NASDAQ's up 45. Looks like NASDAQ's going to play catch up and get an all-time high. Russell is down 2. VIX futures are down 4% at 1877. VIX cash is up about 1.8% at 1594. We are surely into summer VIX mode. Gold is down $25 today. Crude's up 44 cents. If you guys are here on trial this week, good morning and welcome to the room. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. There is no news today, so we have nothing of any real interest. Good morning, Becky. Blessings to you as well. Greg, good morning to you. G2, good morning. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Good morning, John. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to the trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please also trade according to your tolerance for risk. We are good. Out indicator. $72.13 is where it looks like crude wants to get to eventually. NASDAQ's long in here. 26. Slow as heck. I like copper long. Anybody have any questions? Let's see what we got going on in pre-market here, fellas. Apple's up 42 cents. Facebook up $1.20. Tesla up 4.11. Google up 207. GameStop 266 up. AMC 84 cents up. Microsoft 76 cents up. Amazon up 517. Thank you, Caleb. Beyond Meat up 19 cents. And PayPal's up. These are all, Peloton's up 61 cents. Let's see here. Some of the meme stocks, we know that AMC and GameStop are up. Clove is down 30 cents. Clean Energy is up 30 cents. Could be a slow one, guys, until Wednesday. Gold isn't even going to pull back and let us short the son of a gun. Guys, if you are in the order flow group that meets on Friday, if you were not in class on Friday, we have moved it to today, Monday. Going forward, it will be Mondays. I sent the link yesterday. Everyone should have the link for class today at 12 noon. If you do not, please email me. Somebody wake me up when they turn the markets on. Crude needs to break here above, call it 53, 54. Good morning, Deepak. Let me take care of something here, fellas. Got to break through 54. I do, Derek. Low volatility. At some point, Rick. I mean, that's what we're that's what we're kicking around. I don't know that here's silver. We'll see what happens with that. So we've got a long on the breakout indicator. If you guys are here on trial, this is our new maybe 4 or 5 month old breakout indicator. This is a new indicator, automated indicator. Unlike the initial bot, it does not arbitrarily, but it does not automatically set targets. We're using these swings as targets. I missed gold. Here's gold. Beautiful long here from 50. Silver, Greg, silver. Got buyers in gold at the moment. Out on silver. Terry, my settings are as been discussed innumerable times in member Skype by myself and Gary. I'm not sure which instrument you're asking for specifically, so. All right, gold shorted. I think I'm interested in a gold short too, relative to order flow. And this may only come back to 49.2. Let's see if we can get 48.4. Silver flipped on me too quickly. I couldn't get the sell side set. 4, 5 in CL. 454. Mm-hmm. Guys, fairly boring. I think gold is going to see that 38 number ahead of Wednesday. Uh, gold and silver popping around out. That's how we started out on Friday and finished up nicely. Canadian manufacturing sales missed. If crude pops 63, it gets that 68 target. If it breaks that swing at 70, it's gone. I don't even know what that is, Rick. Oh, a stone. Okay. Need to come down through 50.3. We do have a bid at 50. 72 contracts, and now down to 70. We're bouncing off that bid. If they chase that 50 out of there, it's coming right down to our target at 49. He held firm, did he? If you guys want to scalp at it and take 5, 6, 7 ticks and reduce risk, feel free. Got to get through 50. If we get down through 50, we're getting that target at 49. Crude needs to break 2 ticks higher to get that first target. I'm not watching NQ. Caleb. You dog. Bid just jumped up 51.1. Dropped back down to 50. No, I won't let it go. I won't let it go there. Caleb. Either we're coming down or I'm watching this guy here. He's got 59 to buy. I'm watching this 50. We've got to get down through 50. We haven't chased him out of there. We have, small sellers on the bottom, last two, current candle and previous candle. If this guy gets chased out, it's dropping like a brick. If you guys want to take ticks, you got a couple of $100 in the trade or whatever it is you're trading. Eight ticks, 9 ticks, 10 ticks, 9 ticks, 10 ticks. It's your prerogative. Held 50 again. If he leaves, if that guy gets out of there, he's holding it for now. At 78 to buy here. If he jumps, you got 12 ticks in the trade. If he jumps, this crashes. Can't get rid of him though. 77. Nah, they're buying. They're selling. He's got 40 to buy, 45 left to buy. He 38. He's holding it there. If you guys want ticks, trade them as you see fit. And if we crash through 48.1, for whatever that bottom is, this could get brutal. All right, he's gone. He's gone. You got 12, 13 ticks, fellas. Your prerogative. Pre-market, summer trading, slow. 117 sellers on the bottom. We have sellers. 110 at 1. There we go. Hit target, no fill. How about that? You dog. All right.
Target fill.
I took 2 off. We hit target, no fill. 22 contracts traded there. Anybody get filled at target? Hit it to the tick. Anybody get filled at target? Okay, George. Okay, Fran. All right, you guys got filled. Nice job. Crude, I'll take 2 off. Maybe not. Two ticks to first target. If we blow the bottom, this could get really ugly. Let's see where gold can come. I mean, we could come to 38. 38.3. Got an unfinished auction here. You got 25 tick runner, fellas. 50 tick runner. It is not. Caleb, no.
Target fill.
All right, guys. I took 2 off on this. NASDAQ's headed to that 09. Anybody have a runner in gold? You guys traded multiples. One and done. One and done. Nice, Ray. Joel will send that to you this morning. Nicely. You're welcome. And we're getting a small bounce here in gold. All right, I'm going to close gold. I closed it, fellas. It's closed. We're getting a bid in gold. May only be up to get this auction and puke. but I think we're setting up to get a bounce here. NQ. NQ came down to my 9. It actually came to 8.5. Came 2 ticks through my target and is bouncing. NASDAQ should be along up to 21. Let's see if it holds in here. We could come back down again and test 7. Unfinished auction here at 25. If you guys, there goes crude. Gold cannot get a bounce. You know what, Steve? I did get some yesterday. I thought they were from my brother. I didn't even look at it because my brother said look for a package this weekend. If those, I didn't look at what were they? "38 seconds to the top of the hour. Energy pits will be open. If anyone wants to try a NASDAQ long in the pre-market, you have a target at about 20, 21. I will take my breakfast break and be back. All right, guys, 9 o'clock. I'll move this off the screen. You guys can take a look at NASDAQ or watch NASDAQ. I will be back in about 20 minutes. There's copper on the breakout. Let's see if we can get through yellow. We're going to go. One more candle here through, and this is going to pop up. I would think gold does as well. Same scenario as copper. Gold is way oversold. And if the Fed is still accommodative on Wednesday, I think gold will be a screaming buy. Inflation trades, fellas. Inflation. NASDAQ's down to 230 net buyers. slow. That is natural gas. Breakout. Sold. About 3.5 minutes, guys. Anybody have any questions before we go? Yeah, this is just bonkers. Completely bonkers how slow we are. All right, summer trading. The volume is split. Bitcoin back over 40,000 finally. We've taken one order flow trade, guys, on gold. If you're joining late, winning trade, nice trade. I am not looking to buy the open. If I miss a trade, I miss a trade. I'm looking to buy the pullback or sell higher up. We do have buyers coming in at, ahead of the open here, which is 10 seconds. We're off. We are off. All right, guys. I like NASDAQ around 85 for the long. We could come down to 75. I'll buy 83, 84.
Order submitted.
There it is. It may not get there. We hit Friday's close. We've bounced off Friday's close. We could come to 76. May not get this trade. Yeah, seller's now on the open. My stop is going to be, let's see here, guys. I want my stop below 65. I do not think we come below 76. Right there. We just bounced 76. Daily pivot. Let's see what happens here. Come on, bounce, you little dog. We could come 66. Seriously? Come on.
Stop phone.
I'm out. I'm amazed. Amazed. Really amazed. Hmm.
Order filled.
Come on, NASDAQ. Should go to 93 and 02.
Order filled.
Crude is back long again on this. $83. We should go to 83 from here. 83.
Target filled.
Gold went long on the on this as well. Come on, copper, get up through that swing. Copper will blow up if it gets through that swing. Copper's through the swing. Crude Probably want first target right about 82. And gold is running up 50 ticks. Auto trails on. NASDAQ's consolidating here, but not doing anything. Got to get through 78. 78 half is where we're stuck. $78 and it'll pop. Gold is a 73 tick runner, guys, on the there it goes. Come on. Almost there. Come on, you. Took me by about 5 points. Copper's up 487.50. On the breakout, I'll take 2 off.
Target filled.
There we go. It's got to get above the 79, 78.50 and hold it. And it should go back to 14,000. We've got 300 buyers in this candle. Crude, I'll close.
Order filled.
I'm going to move copper. It's at break even. Natural gas, I'm going to move off the screen.
Stop filled. Target filled.
Come on, NASDAQ. Go get 14,000. Look at this gold. You got to be shooting me. Almost $1,000 runner. You're in NQ at 71. Nice job, Keith. Guys, we're going back up. We're going back up. Nice, Todd. Just won't pop 14,000. 564 buyers in the last 3-minute bar, 360, 70 in this bar. Yeah. Totally torques my jaw when that happens. We came down.
Target filled.
We came down to 57. Nice job, Kim. $1,000 trade on order flow on silver. Nice job. Here we go, right back up. This is a no-brainer. No-brainer. Son of a pup. If we get through 12, we go 21. Got to get through 12, we go 21. Here's your close coming through VWAP. If we get the candle close above VWAP, look at this gold. God. They just murdered shorts. They just tore up stops. Gonna have to get through 9, 9.5 first. DAX is long. ES is puttering around. Can't get a close above VWAP to keep going. Gold's got to get through 64.3 to make another move higher up. You got your close above VWAP, fellas. God dang it. Look at this. $15 move on gold. It's got through 64.3. goes NASDAQ 21. Son of a pup.
Stop build.
Out on gold. Anybody long NASDAQ on the breakout indicator? Anybody long NASDAQ? Okay. All right, fellas. Nice job, Gary. 48 points. Gary, I used your setting of 12, and I am in at 74.75 on the breakout.
Stop order build.
That's natural gas. Same entry? Anybody know enough to take it through VWAP on the close?
Order build.
Anybody take? Okay, there you go, guys. I told you if it closed above VWAP. This is gold down to 1,400 net sellers. Jeez. All right, Rick, good. This guy. Somebody, I mean, I told you, I know we're longs. We're not shorts. On the daily? Thanks, Mark. I know we're not shorts, guys. Okay, Rick. See you tomorrow. Nice job today. If we get through 43, silver was huge. Silver was just enormous. Guys, this NASDAQ is, I mean, it is what it is, but son of a pup. No, it's definitely not going to zero today. It is definitely not going to zero today. Chris isn't here, though, so he doesn't care. I think he's out of town. My trail is at 26 quarter.
Stop build. Target build.
That's nice. On what? Target filled on what?
Order filled.
No, the bot. The bot. Russell shorted on the bot. Yeah, thank you, Paul. I got so many charts up and charts over charts, and it's absurd. NASDAQ, we're going to pull back to 21. We could pull back to 14, even. 2 off at 28.75. I just came out of my runner. On the breakout. Do y'all trade the 6E? I do look at it. I do look at the euro and the pound. I don't generally look at them in our session. They're just so slow. I mean, the dollar's got to be getting blown up. Not really. Got a nice runner here on the Russell. On the bot. Anybody in the Russell on the bot? NASDAQ, gold could pull back into VWAP. Okay. NASDAQ's pulling back to 14,000. Let's see what these stocks are doing here, guys, just for the heck of it. Apple is up $1.51. Facebook up 204. Tesla up 1175. Financials are red. Google's up 327. GameStop down 765. AMC up 266. Coinbase now up 833. Microsoft basically flat, up 6-7 cents. Amazon's up $16, $17. And let's see, the meme stocks. Well, GME is down for now. AMC is up. BlackBerry's down 17 cents. Rocket's up 33 cents. Wish is up 9 cents. Clean Energy is up 64 cents. Here comes the bounce again right off VWAP. NASDAQ should pop back to 21 from here. 21. I'm going to try this again. No, hang on, fellas. We're closed above VWAP. Let me see if I can get. All right, 11.75. 21 should be the target. Stop is 82.50. Best I have. Best I have. $21. Yeah, 21 target. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't be a chooch. 40 buyers, now down to 25. No pullback in silver yet. I'm pending a short. Come on, NASDAQ, seriously? Huge up move, huge, started out huge down move, huge up move, and now a huge down move out on Russell on the trailer. I don't know why this won't break. 15 quarter, there's nothing really here. There's a little wall, but this should trade at least up to 18.75. I'm buying some. Come on, let's go. 5-minute resist. We're pushing the 50 period moving average. We're pushing the 50 on the 15-minute. Come on. Now you got them. Come on. Come on, buy them back. There's a target at 18.75 if you want a smaller target ahead of these sellers. See where we stopped?
Target filled.
There we go. Target's filled there. Rat bag got me on the first one.
Order filled.
Nice job, Eli. Any thoughts on copper? It's longs, yeah. Longs. I mean, it was. You could have taken a long at 53.05, and here we come right back down on the Nasdaq. Real stop can move up to about 91 if you guys want to hold the real stop. I'll go to 97. I won't let it come back there. Nasdaq's got to work up through 27.35 and then 43. 27.35 and 43. All right, you can have it.
Order filled.
I closed it. If we come down to 92, we could come all the way back down to 72. I mean, gold is wow. Gold was a down and up, just monsters. Another big move on the NASDAQ. You got a short, 98 short. I don't think we're coming below. I don't really think we're coming below 90, 91, but we closed below VWAP, fellas. That's the trade, right? I'll sell it on a bounce back up at 98.5 if it bounces back up. Doesn't look that way.
Order filled.
All right, support is going to be 90. $37 buyers, 20 buyers. I want to get away from this 14,000. Come on, give me another candle. One more candle. Come on. I'll take 91 as a target. 91. We're just sitting here. Small sellers. $43 sellers, 31 sellers, small buyers, small sellers. Stuck at the 100 period moving average at 95. Come on, dog. I'm getting 91. If you guys want ticks, take them. I mean, this is floppy as hell. The next 15-minute candle's not for 9 minutes. If it breaks, great. It's trying. There it goes. Come on. Come on. 92. Ah. There it is. Got it. There we go.
Order filled.
Order filled on what? Here we go. NASDAQ is short on the bot. No, that's Russell. Hang on, guys. It's right here. Nothing like Windows. Second bot trade, NASDAQ trade. Gold. Jeez. Gold's going to break up again. NQ should come to 76. Should. I don't know if it can get that target. 76 is a pivot. All right, the order flow trade, I'm going to kill. Not yet. Hang on. Come on down. Not yet. Come on, one more 30 range candle. We want it to stay red. I need it to push down below this 87.75. All right, I'm out. I'm out of the order flow trade. I'll let the bot do what it's going to do. This area here is going to be a problem. 078. ES can't find anything. Copper is just knuckling around. Gold is going to go again. You guys good on that short? Guys? You good on that short? Okay. Not a big trade, but worked. A win is a win. I'll take 8 handles. It's $160 a contract. Really have nothing in, excuse me, in crude. And the NASDAQ, my money would be probably to the downside. I don't think that we can move much higher than this area here initially. 5 minutes to the next candle. So we've taken 4 trades today with 3 winners. Took a loss on that opening NASDAQ trade. Gold is consolidating. I mean, it might get you to 73.4. If you're not in it, you're not in it. I mean, this long was all the way back here. This long was here at 51. ES cannot find a bounce as of yet. NASDAQ really can't either. There's a quick short. Come on. Couple. All right, there's, whoop, I don't have the trail on. Now it's on. Okay, Chris, see you tomorrow. Great day. Nice job.
Offshore North Carolina. The path of the storm is about to see.
Anybody have any questions, guys?
Order filled.
Because I've got butt kissed. I have absolutely nothing. Guys, I'm not going to put risk on just for the sake of putting risk on. You got your close above VWAP if you want to take a spin at that. I'm not interested. It's just, this is too slow for me. The only thing that I can do with as slow as we are is go to a 15 range and we can scalp these trades, the short and the long, if you guys want to do scalps. That's all that's there. There's unless you're a position trader, I can do, small time frame stuff, 5 points, 6 points. That's it. I mean, NASDAQ just really, the range is so small. We need a pullback to get long. I mean, that's all it's given us, right? Look at the range. We're getting 15 handles. We're not going to catch those on a 30 range chart. So when the markets dry up, you go to a smaller chart. Yeah, listen, you guys only take the trades you want to take. At the end of the day, I can give away all the money I want of mine. You guys have to determine, is this a trade I want to take? I will tell you, based on almost 10 years now of summer trading, especially summer trading ahead of FOMC, if you're green, take your money, find something to do. Find something to do. There's just there comes gold, crude. There's no reason to push it because, it isn't like a month ago, 6 weeks ago, where if you're down 4, 5, 6, 700, I can easily find the trades. There's not a lot of movement in this. So now you're going to be trading for, handles, small stuff, especially, after 10:30. If you guys want to put risk on. Crude got to 49. I'm going to move this first target to 49. See if we can get it to.
Target build.
I turn the trail off, put the stop at break even out of a deuce. It's done. Nice job, Gary. I have no idea, Marco. No, Mac. It's the people that attend on Fridays. We have moved Friday's class to Monday, merely because Fridays in the summer probably don't have. There was no movement Friday, and I'm not sure today's going to be any better. It makes it hard to teach when there's no movement. In fact, it makes it impossible. Just impossible. It's like trading this goofy stuff. I mean, the only thing that we're doing is basically sitting here. We got first target. I'm hoping to get down maybe to, if we break 40, we come 26, I think. We're still sitting in this NASDAQ short, which just came back through break even, but won't give us anything, although we do have net negative delta of 1,200 contracts. But there's just nothing to do here. If this pops up long, I'll whack at it. I do have a target up near 11. I don't think you're going to see 25, 30, 40. I mean, for those of you guys that have been around 4 or 5 months, I was ripping off 80 handle trades. 80 handle trades. Here, I'm going to try this right here with the first target at, we might get that. I do have an 11. See if we can get to 02, 5 handles. I mean, it's goofy risk for small stuff, so trade at your own discretion. I don't have us as short. 79.75 is the stop. That's the real stop. And I do have an 11 target. Let's see if we can get to 8. I do have a target at 11. I have a target at 6, 11, and 20. 6, 11, and 20. But again, fellas, trade at your own discretion. We're coming into the top of the hour. The market has gone quiet as a church. There is virtually no movement. I've never had an issue with if you guys want 120, 30, 40 bucks, you can get it. I can't make a move. I can tell you where it should go. If we can break over 14,001, we can get 14. It won't be before class. No. After class, what's the issue? Lee, I can chat with you after class. There's $150, $60 if you guys want to take some ticks. If anybody took it, 180. Not a bad trade. And right back down. I mean, this is okay. Going to be out on the runner here. I mean, this son of a gun just needs to pop. Let me look at a 15. I mean, this should go back up to 7. Let's take a target at 6. I'm cool with 8 handles if I can get it. See you tomorrow, Ray. You took ticks, Dana? Good. I mean, this is the market that we're in, guys, at least until Wednesday, till the markets have some clarity with what these Fed dudes want to do. But I'm hard pressed to think we're not going to get the all-time high in the NASDAQ and higher. I mean, it is lagging. Come on. If anybody's in this trade, you got a, almost $300 trade, fellas. Almost $300 trade. Not a bad little trade. Scalp. Trade him at your discretion, guys. Ordinarily, I'd say, hold it. We're going to get our target, but volume is pretty light, and we're dealing with, split volume. So trade him as you see fit. I mean, we just cannot get above this 03. It's so annoying. There we go. Come on, 6. Come on, 6. Go! Got it. Got it. Anybody hang on? Anybody in the trade? Nice job, Frank. Nice job, James. Okay, Mimi. I mean, man, DAX is going. ES can't find its way out of a wet paper bag today. I'd like to see this now move closer to 12. Yeah, looky here. We got a long on the breakout on the ES. That only took all day to get a trade. So we're filled 30 half. Let's go 32 half. See if I can get 2 measly points out of this. All right, guys. There we go on the NASDAQ. Anybody holding one? Anybody holding one? Okay. Thank you, Eli. For those of you guys that are on trial, I think we have a few of you that are in today. We have some that are completing from last week. These are order flow trades. They're not anything to do with the robot. These are just order flow trades. The you've seen the robot, the breakout indicator. You're looking at the breakout indicator on the screen now. I have honestly yet to find a setting in the ES that I like. You'll notice these are sim trades. I have yet to find a setting in the ES that I am able to trade, at least consistently. You're welcome, Marco. It's just, I'm not a big ES guy anyways, but, and then you've seen the bot trades, of which we've had 2. You reached your target 3 times your daily goal. Nice job, Marco. Okay. Yeah. Take your money. Absolutely. These are days where it's hard to find trades. See you tomorrow. Yep. So you guys have seen the original bot, which is yet to go to a target or a stop on the NASDAQ. You've seen a Russell trade, which was a nice trade, which is the only completed trade we have for 385 on the bot. And then on the breakout indicator, I don't know where the hell, we're at 475. Last week, Thursday, the breakout indicator did almost 8,000. On Friday, it did over 1,300. And today, it's just slow. And then you are looking at what will be available at some point. My programmer is, I can't sit with this, guys. I can't. I hate ES. I can't find anything that I like with the ES. Maybe smaller. I went bigger, maybe smaller. These candles, which basically denote, obviously, direction. Green is up. Chartreuse is momentum. Green is still longs. Red is down. Orange is loss of momentum. And blue we disregard. But it's given, some nice trades here, signal-wise. We're just flat. Gold is a great example. So on gold, we had a signal here for a short at 5:55 a.m. at 59.3. Another long here. Yeah, these will keep you in trades. Absolutely. That's the beauty. I mean, these candles are awesome for staying in trades. Unless you get a color change, you don't want to be. I mean, look, you got a $300 runner. First contracts came off at 06 from 98, so that's 8. That's $320, and $300 here. It's a $600 and change dollar trade in one trade in a slow day. There's no reason to be out of this trade. There's no reason not to stay long the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's up 27. Let's see what we're looking at on the VIX, which is probably dead. VIX futures are at 1888, up maybe 0.2%. VIX cash is actually rising. It's up 5% at 1643. Order filled on what? Got to be the Russell. It is. The bot. Dow futures down 137, S&P off 4.5, NASDAQ's up 30 whopping points. Blowing it out the door, the NASDAQ is up 30. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up soon. Oh, you're going to get a, you got a short, it looks like, trying on gold. We got some stuff to play with on NASDAQ. If this thing breaks 63.7, it gets smacked. If you guys want to try a gold short, if you've got ticks and you're intent on putting a trade on.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right. Short here. Again, only if you have risk and ticks to give them, fellas. We're nearing the end of the session and there's not much movement. And this afternoon, I don't know, who knows what I'll find, if anything. If you guys have made money and you want to, put some risk on, your prerogative. I've moved stop up to 10, guys. 12 points locked in. Gold, if it's got to break 66.7, has some 5-minute support. Nothing much. If that breaks, it'll come down a bit. I don't think we should be able to get 65.5, 65.6, somewhere in there. 65.8. It's gonna hit me again. You scumbag.
Stop filled.
Okay, out on NASDAQ. JP Morgan is prepared for higher rates and more inflation. Jamie Dimon speaking at an investor conference. Russell's at first target, no fill.
Target filled.
Now it is. Now break even and out of here. Come on, gold. Just break back down through 66.7. On what? Oh, Russell. Out on the Russell. Guys, anybody have any questions? More from Jamie Dimon. Trading revenue will be north of $6 billion in the second quarter. $6 billion. Oh, Biden's just a clown. He's just a clown. He couldn't do worse if he tried. By the time this thing resolves itself, and interest rates start to hike and normalize, he's going to bankrupt half the people that put him in office. Now, the other half are already dead, so that's kind of moot, but the half that have a pulse and elected him are going to end up broke. Don't get me going, Tommy. Don't get me going. I'm not a fan. All right, fellas, let me turn off some of these bots. Done. Done. I can turn off natural gas. Done. It's going to get worse before it gets better, guys. Listen, my daughter just moved back to New York City, which I think is a phenomenal move. I say that facetiously. She left this morning. She just texted me. She just landed in New York. And as a going away, last night we did steak and lobster tails. I paid $31 for 2 steaks. Last week or the week before was $27. I paid $31 for 2 steaks. I'd be afraid to go to like Ruth's Chris right now. Hit it in the loop. I'm used to it. I've been doing it for so many years. You know, she didn't. Nobody's holding gold. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to wrap it up for the day. Here are your totals. The bot totals up 505. Underwater on the NASDAQ, but not at a stop yet. The breakout indicator, out of that gold. The breakout indicator is up 375. Which is about the worst day I've seen it have. And that's where we're at, guys. When all is said and done, I'm walking out of here up 297. Woohoo! 290.